What's up, people? It's AlphaBlue here, and you're welcome back to my channel. If you're new to this channel, you're welcome. So, guys, this is our daily Euro USD, GBP USD technical analysis. So, currently, I'm on Euro USD on the 4-hour time frame. Very, very simple stuff. Keep it simple and very, very straightforward. No need for any, fancy stuff because most of the fancy stuff get you nowhere. So, this is what the chart looks like on the 4-hour time frame. And what is our sentiment? What is our sentiment? My bias is, of course, bullish for Euro USD, GBP USD to continue the bullish move that it has been doing. Last week, we caught this very nice bullish continuation that gave us 1 to 8 RR over 166 pips. So on Friday last week, market came to this point. I was expecting it to take out this high and continue pushing to the upside, but that didn't happen. It just came very shy to take it out and then reversed. So all that I see happening here is price just giving us a discount before it continues the bullish move. I don't see this bearish move continuing to the downside. In fact, I was actually anticipating to see this week here taken out before we continue seeing the bullish move, but it has been very difficult for Euro USD to sell, to push down. That's to show you that there are a lot of buyers in this market. A lot of people are interested in buying this market. That is why you see it. This is like throughout today's price action. This 4 hour candles is all of today's price action. Price has not gone anywhere throughout today. That's to show you that the market is very, very like rigid. It's just ranging. No clear direction yet. But I will tell you for a fact that the buyers are winning this battle right here, because as you can see, there are more wicks to the downside. That's to show you that the buyers are pushing price up. So what is my bias? What do I want to do this week? Very, very simple. I just want to continue buying Euro USD to the upside. This is my target. This line here, this green horizontal line. I'm targeting this somewhat equal highs here, right? That is a liquidity that I know that price is going to go and take out if this bullish move continues. Okay, my eyes just caught another liquidity right here. This is another one this week right here. At this point, I want to take off this resistance because I believe price is no longer going to respect it. It has respected it once here already, and it has served its purpose. Right now, I strongly believe that price is going to continue bullish, or at least that's my bias. So these are my targets, 1, 2, and the ultimate high right here. So why am I like having this bias? It's because of what the fundamentals say. What the fundamentals say is what I'm going after. FOMC gave us a dovish sentiment. And when we have a dovish sentiment, it means that the dollar is going to be weak. And if the dollar is weak, that means Euro USD is going to be strong. It's going to rally to the upside. So that's why I'm expecting to continue buying Euro USD going into this week. So now I will have just waited to see what price does before I move. But I saw this as an opportunity to take this very short sell, because even though I'm looking to buy, this is my bias. This big buy position you see here. This is my bias for the week. This is what I'm looking to do this week right here. But then I had already marked out some key areas of liquidity that I feel price will take out before it starts moving to the upside. So one is this week right here, then this other one. These are the 2 points. So today, London session, when I saw price pushing to the upside, I felt it was just a fake move, that price will most likely come down to take out this low before we see a push to the upside. So that's why I took this shot. But then price has just been ranging throughout today. We've not seen any serious price action. Price has just been ranging at this same spot. So that's just what has been happening. So my idea for this trade today was, I saw price take out this week and then push to the downside and somewhat change character around here. You see here, it broke this higher low here, right, to the downside. So when I saw this, I was like, well, I'm gonna place this trade and target this low right here. Just a quick trade, 40 pips. But then price didn't go anywhere. It just kept ranging and ranging and ranging. And it's actually very annoying. But then I'm still going to hold the trade. It's either TP or SL. If it hits my SL, fine, I lose 0.5%. If it hits my TP, good, I make 2%. So it's a 1 to 4 hour trade. So I'm still gonna hold it and see what the market does. But then, simple idea. I've backtested this a lot of times and I've seen it work a lot of times. So I'm not here to wonder or to try to criticize and know whether this setup is gonna hold or it's gonna play out this time on around or not. It's none of my business. All that I do, all that is my task to do is see the setup, take the trade, wait to see the outcome, whether SL or TP. All right, that's what defines an edge. So I'm still going to hold the trade until it either hits my TP or my SL. So, but let's assume that this trade doesn't go down. It just continues to go up and takes me out on this trade. It hits my SL. What I'm going to do is I'll go to the higher time frame and look at what price is doing. Then I'll now look to buy. Now, the truth is, even if this price takes my SL, I will still wait to see price take out these weeks before I continue, before I look to buy, right? So this is going to be a potential place to look out for these weeks. So let's say price hits my SL and I lose this trade. Then I'll be more interested in buying. I will not want to short the market anymore. But then I will not just buy straight up. I'll wait to see price come and take out this low here before I now continue looking for buys to the upside. So that's just what I'm looking at on EURUSD. To be honest, I'm beginning to feel that I shouldn't have taken this trade. I should have just allowed the market do its thing. But I mean, you cannot, cannot talk like that. So you cannot talk like that because you never can tell which of the setups will play. Your work is just to place the trade when you see the setup, not to analyze and criticize which one will hold or which one will not hold. That's just the thing. So right now, uh, this is the first target, this is the second target, this is the last target, right? So let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. Let's see whether we have this push that will take us all the way to this point this week or not. So similar thing on GBPUSD. In fact, GBPUSD has even gotten to the area where I was thinking we should see a sell, we should see a buy. So now this is the other block I was anticipating price to come into on GBPUSD. But this one at GBPUSD is already gearing up to buy like this. Sure, see, I know we close my EURUSD trade at break even. Anyways, that's just an intrusive thought, right? So this is GBPUSD. It has come into this place. I like what the 4-hour candles are doing. What I'm waiting for right now is to see that we have a strong bullish push, strong 4-hour bullish candle, a bullish engulfing candle, 4-hour bullish engulfing candle. Once I see that, I'm buying this straight up. I'm buying it because right now I don't see any weak or liquidity that price will want. Oh, there's a liquidity here though, but it was taking a bit, like right here, it was taking. But let's just assume that price wants to stick on all the way to this liquidity, fine. Oh, but I doubt that price will want to come here. I doubt that price will want to come here. But you never can tell. Price could still come here before it pushes to the upside. Then another thing to be mindful of is, no, I feel price will come here. You know why I feel price will come here? Because of this imbalance we have down here. There's such a huge imbalance that price will want to come and take out this liquidity here and at least just kiss it a bit before we start pushing to the upside. I don't think price will turn right about here. Price will most likely dip, take out this liquidity, feel a little of this imbalance. Not, I don't see it coming to feel so much of this imbalance because of the bullish, order flow, because of the overall bullish uh, trend that we are on, right? Because of the overall bullish trend that we're on. I don't see it coming to feel so much of this imbalance. I just see it taking this week and then it continues to the upside. So We'll just chill out and see what it does. We'll just chill and see what it does. So that's my take for Euro USD and GBP USD. Let's see how it goes, guys. Let's see how it goes. Let's see how it goes. So I hope you got value from this. If you want to see my trades, all the trades I take, I post them on my Telegram channel. Check the description of this video. You'll find a link to join my Telegram channel where I share all my trades. If you were in my Telegram channel, you would have caught 3% that I made last week on my trades. So guys, don't forget to smash the like button. Don't forget to subscribe if you got value in this analysis. And if you want to be seeing more of these things, surely subscribe. Be sure to subscribe because you're going to see more analysis like this every day. So cheers, guys. I'll see you in the next one.